Fine. And why are you late?
Actually, I was stuck in Maulai for
Oh, stop. See, this is not the way. Last time also you were late.
Sir,
Why do I have to wait for you?
no, sir, you didn't have. Sir,
Then-
I had left for 9 a.m. I was, in fact, I am not going to office today.
No. This is not an excuse.
Sir, whatever are your observations.
If all of us can come here at the specific time, why not you?
Sir, that's why I came. Whatever are your observations.
This is not done.
Will not.
And this is not the first time you came here. Last time also we were here, and you have point out all these shortcomings that is there. No, but nothing has been done.
Sir, actually, sir, one another junior was here. That's why I
This
came.
is not right. Nah?
Sir, you tell me whatever are the things, we will get it.
We saw there.
We will not close.
What's the purpose of having this footpath?
Sir, I had
So tell me, what is the purpose?
I had noted it, sir. Unless
No, tell me what is the purpose of having a footpath?
so that the pedestrians can walk smoothly without any risk.
Obstruction without any risk. No. Then you saw there, and here also see. Okay. Now you have a footpath here. Then here in this turning, no curve, and suddenly the people have to go from the road. Huh? Where is the footpath here?
I think
What is the space you can use? All this belongs to PWD.
UMLE ke Maulai constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang hak artrik una opera arhajar urusan ulalej banjurap egejing pentre ya kajakayat kejat hamau yong Japung hadin gejing ujor ni borsnong ba gejing trei kamlong ke bebiang setia uni UMLE uli thu bakat kum ke detail project report lamang banchna kajakayat kejat ke bejingai news pak mitar ke badan arku prateli street light bat kejaka abbas ndrei kat kum gejing lap ke gejing pentre kamlong ke bebiang setia Uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ula kot iki officer ke NHIDCL ban panjing pencai lor kene ban betak bagi deban pentre ke kamkat kum ke detail project report ke Balamang kam tami di street light ban ula penpau ba gejing tre bambiang gadai da gejing ai syaki subcontractor ula penpau ru ba gejing tu jangan ke project kalau ban penunai gejing ja aksiden ha ki jaka nani kita ki black spot nado kathan jong kathanat ha maulai ado mau yong rin
अभी मिल रहा है ना
शॉर्ट था तो आप लोगों ने रुक जाओ बोला
नहीं रुक जाओ नहीं अब स्पेस है ना स्पेस है तो आप लोग
Don't worry about space. Space is available.
Sir, we have bus shelter provision. You give us space, we will construct a very good bus shelter.
This one.
We have a provision, but they were already complaining that there is no space. There is no space.
Pentasi Haji Syah kali kasihan ke Baar. Bagi wan nak ke spot inspection hadin bagi yo ya ka complain. Nah kalian jok senong ker kompentre ya ka di tempat baru yang ka mulai Japung. Tehot na kalian jong nga pada kalian ke jong senong isu mar haki laku kumbasis nam tam ngatrai mo kumbasnom wilayah na kalian ke jonga wilayah ban inspect ke highway nadu nang tay na po marsat ka mulai PS ter sadu siya mo yung rim namar pi kidon kini black spots ki babun kani ka stretch nadu na tay sadu siya ni kaba kijing accident kijan ako ka force ko ipan kijing mensaw kijing yap breu kila aja de halo kata nakaliang ka jonga ngalara atu por inspect nai keren bagi engineers de ong ka dongkam bandon ka footpath kam la banlong ba ubriu bat ka kali kini ai lang naju kam tampo highway te ngilara te de ngisungu ban ngai khumlei ru ba hot wat lada mentangi i ba baro the whole search kam pat dem pat yo le ini bentah ni po mulai Japung la sanction bat la pentrei enrei hadian bala pentrei pan ka sosi kalong ka jingtrei kamlong ka baitna de na tadaw nakaliang jong snong nakaliang girang badong ila pentip yang bar ngelawan inspect kumba kano tayo tu ada arteo light yo ngelawan inspect haji syang ngelawan kidon ki engineer na po NHIDCL ki manager na tabat ki kontraktor ru de haji syang kadi kaju ka bangipet menta identify kidon ki spots kumba pigi mene oh kidon ke footpath kum tu layak hari suddenly namar ba ka khamji jenjar bansna ba ka khamlong riat ki pelat no katu kamut ubri la daya kamut layak footpath nang ni hapan biang sya surok kadang jumut yo ko kata Tengila pen last time ru Andre ki kam le. Te kuma PE mentang ki don sibun ki jing duna. PE ketika kom kerro katuru. Kaba ki mau saling na po kim biang halo jong kendo ki bot ban sukondro te PE tu dala ki jong ki keman. Te gitu ki baro bangi ke bangi kwa ban rectify. Dan rei nadu last time ru ngelapan ki. Ya kanika DPR. Mga ong ki pe inum pak tre ki palat sabar naka DPR. Te kumba kadon ke DPR ya kata pihak menteri kumta. Te mentakski ila penbed ila wan ki official na po ini NHIDCL dari Sultanat nomor belai mentakski na mga lapan kanang ya kan DPR but lingba kan ke DPR kalau ong ki baki hak menteri betik kumba ke DPR ke ong dengan sulingo nomor ba war ki sinong lu hasisya kilong ke umdu dengan lagi DPR mentakski wat ke street light kadan adu kumba tanam baklanga arpu pratliki street light di balada shisha imat ladang imiawan kumni namun tau street light ula banja tengi so kemen ni por kumamta tengi scam nak kalian kejongangan budien nak kalian so kemen namar ngiyo kino punya sinong ki basim kya wa pentit te ke citrai lang ba kino punya sinong tengi scam kani ka footpath ka di banlong kumba ka di banlong kat kum ka DPR tengi lai keren nama kidon ki benta bamyo ban sinai ka footpath namang istu hidon di ka barung yang beriyo ndaya kitu ru kamun kenra pat syakiwe ki benta pat kam di bendu no tengiyo ban extend pat syakiwe pergi jaka jadi kita di baru pengiladat bannya keren pat ka NHIDCL bat nang ni syakat ni nang budien bat ngin pentikena bahkan ya kam ka di banlong kumba as pada DPR hari syaka por te keladi bandep dan dari kumbangi im ta kidon bijing tuna di bagi haban le te kamut ka kendang haban menteri kan muslim sih bandep